Hey guys, so this is going to be a super quick video. I'm going to show you the UGREEN Micro HDMI to HDMI cable adapter. First, let's unbox it. It comes in this Ziploc style bag. Very simple and compact. I opened it up and dumped everything on the table. We've got the cable itself, a flat user manual, and this little recycle tag. Now let's take a closer look at the cable. I'm popping off the protective covers from both ends, and here it is. Micro HDMI to HDMI. Ready to go. And now let me show you how simple it is to use. Here I am plugging the micro HDMI end into my camera, and the HDMI end can be plugged into a monitor or a TV. And that's it. Super fast, simple, and you're ready to stream or display your footage.